Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss India's fundamental duties. The Indian Constitution, primarily focused on safeguarding fundamental rights, initially omitted provisions delineating citizens' duties. However, recognizing the symbiotic relationship between rights and responsibilities, the concept of fundamental duties was introduced in 1976. Inspired by socialist principles and the constitution of the erstwhile USSR, India's adoption of fundamental duties aimed to instill a sense of civic responsibility and promote the holistic development of its citizens. Historical evolution. Initially, the constitution emphasized the enumeration of fundamental rights, while the duties of the state were outlined in the directive principles of state policy. The exigency of delineating citizens' duties became apparent during the tumultuous period of the internal emergency, 1975 to 1977, prompting the establishment of the Swarn Singh Committee in 1976. This committee was tasked with recommending the inclusion of a separate chapter on fundamental duties, leading to the enactment of the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Swarn Singh Committee recommendations. The Swarn Singh Committee underscored the imperative for citizens to be cognizant of their duties alongside their rights. While the committee initially proposed 8 fundamental duties, the 42nd Amendment Act incorporated 10 duties, reflecting the committee's recommendations and emphasizing the multidimensional nature of citizenship. List of fundamental duties. Article 51 of the Indian Constitution articulates 10 fundamental duties, encompassing a wide spectrum of obligations ranging from upholding national sovereignty to fostering environmental conservation and promoting scientific inquiry. The 86th Constitutional Amendment Act in 2002 further expanded citizens' responsibilities by introducing the duty to provide education to children aged 6 to 14, thus emphasizing the pivotal role of education in nation building. Features of fundamental duties. Fundamental duties epitomize a harmonious blend of moral imperatives and civic obligations, ensuring a delicate balance between individual autonomy and societal welfare. Rooted in India's rich cultural tapestry, these duties resonate with the ethos of the nation, reflecting values ingrained in its traditions, mythology, and ethos. Unlike fundamental rights, which extend to all individuals irrespective of citizenship status, fundamental duties are exclusive to Indian citizens and are non-justiciable, meaning they cannot be enforced through legal recourse. However, their implementation can be facilitated through legislative measures enacted by Parliament. Criticism. Critics contend that the list of fundamental duties is incomplete and some duties are couched in vague and ambiguous language, rendering them susceptible to varied interpretations. Additionally, the non-justiciable nature of fundamental duties has led some to perceive them as aspirational ideals rather than legally enforceable obligations. Some critics question the necessity of enshrining fundamental duties in the Constitution, arguing that societal norms and moral imperatives should suffice to guide citizens' conduct. Significance. Fundamental duties serve as a moral compass, reminding citizens of their inherent responsibilities towards the nation, society, and fellow beings. They act as a bulwark against anti-national activities and promote a culture of civic engagement, fostering a sense of collective identity and social cohesion. Furthermore, fundamental duties assist judicial authorities in adjudicating the constitutionality of laws and policies, ensuring that legislative measures are in consonance with the nation's foundational values. Political leaders like H.R. Gokhale and Indira Gandhi have underscored the pivotal role of fundamental duties in fortifying democracy and nurturing a culture of citizenship consciousness. Conclusion. The incorporation of fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution signifies a pivotal milestone in the nation's constitutional journey. Despite facing criticisms, fundamental duties play a crucial role in fostering civic virtue, nurturing a sense of citizenship, and reinforcing the fabric of democracy. As India strides towards greater social and economic progress, the adherence to fundamental duties remains indispensable in realizing the collective aspirations of its diverse populace.